Let me explain one more time clearly. So first one, we created a workspace under this location, Python underscore AWS for all our Python integration with AWS. Second point, we opened VS Code for this folder, and before that we have created virtual environment. Then I opened VS Code with that folder. Then I written Python program. I created a file called first.py. I written Python statements. To run this Python statements, I'm using this console. Here, let's observe. Here, what I'm doing. First, I am activating this virtual environment because for all my Python integration with AWS services, I created a separate virtual environment. First point, why we will create a separate virtual environment? Let's say in same mission, I may writing Python integration, I may writing different database integrations, other integrations, programs. So instead of mixing all packages under Python location, for every project we are creating a separate virtual environment. So I already created. I opened that folder in VS Code. I created a file. To run that one, I opened command prompt. I activated virtual environment. Then I am running this one using Python command first.py. Then it will execute this program, and we are seeing output of this program. Clear writing, how to write first Python program using VS Code on AWS EC2 mission. Yeah.